slide this under. We want to put it right underneath the shank so we can clamp on really easily. And then an important step here is once you have your button in, so once it's in there, you want to bring down this little lever and match it up with the little white square right here. And that's going to let your foot know how big the buttonhole needs to be. So now we have our buttonhole foot installed, we can start sewing. But all we do is we're going to put the pressure foot down, we're going to pull down our little lever, and all we do is press go, and the foot will do the whole thing for us. And that's really all there is to it. All we're gonna do is get a seam ripper and open up the front. It looks really neat. It's just a really handy tool to make perfect openings.